In today's video, I'll share with you how you can make $50 in a day online. Today, I will walk you through how you can make some serious cash. You can actually turn your phone into a money-making machine in 2025. So whether you're a complete beginner or you're not, you know what? In today's video, I'll share with you how you can make $50 in a day online. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let's get started. If you're new here, please by all means, go ahead and introduce yourselves. I really want to know you. What is your name? Where are you watching from? What part of the world are you tuning in from? How did you find my video? Let me know in the comments. So welcome back to my channel, to all my returning subscribers. Today we are diving into a topic that a lot of you have been asking about: how to make $50 a day online. If you're looking for some legit and easy ways to make extra cash, you are in the right place. I have 5 great websites that can help you reach that goal. So let's jump right into it. Come with me, guys. Let's go. So guys, the first app on my list here is called Transcribing. Yes. Do you know you can get paid for tasks in your area? Guys, this app called Transcribing connects you with people in your area who need help with various tasks like cleaning, assembling furniture, or running errands. You can set your own rates, and many tasks actually pay more than $50, especially if you can complete multiple jobs in one day. One thing you should do is this: be sure to create a detailed profile highlighting your skills and experience to attract more clients. Guys, you can also do babysitting, yes, using TaskRabbit. I'm telling you, use TaskRabbit to showcase your services and your offerings. Babysitting, dog sitting, dog walking, pet sitting, any kind of service that you can render, you can use TaskRabbit. So guys, let's get right to the next app on my list. So guys, the next app on my list is called Swagbox. Guys, first up, this is one of the most popular money-making platforms out there. You can earn points called Swagbox by doing various activities like, of course, taking surveys, by watching videos, shopping online, or even surfing the internet, which is searching the web. Once you accumulate enough points, you can then redeem them for cash or gift cards. To hit that $50 mark, aim to complete a mix of activities daily. And if you're consistent, it is definitely achievable. The next app on my list here is called Inbox Dollars. Do you know you can get paid for your own opinion? In fact, do you know that a company sends me $600? Yes, for my opinion. Asking for my opinion, I did the survey for them and they sent me $600. Now guys, Inbox Dollars, that is similar to Swagbox, is a platform that pays you cash for taking surveys, for watching videos, for reading emails, and you also earn extra bonus just for signing up, which is a great start. Yes, guys. And you might want to combine surveys and video to help you get to reach your financial goal faster. So go ahead and check for daily tasks or offers that can help you earn extra points, extra cash quickly. The next app on my list here is called My Points. Yes, mypoints.com. My Points allows you to earn points by shopping online, by watching videos, and by completing surveys. You can redeem your points for gift cards or cash through PayPal. And this platform is great for online shoppers because you can earn points just for making purchases that you were already planning to do. By using My Points in conjunction with other earning platforms, you can quickly rack up points and reach that $50 goal, I tell you. And guys, the next app on my list here is called Fiverr. Yes, I realize some people have never heard of Fiverr before, and I'm like, really? Guys, if you have a skill or a talent, consider using Fiverr. It's a freelance marketplace that allows you to offer your services starting from $5 and above. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or social media management, you can create gigs that suit your expertise. I mean, with just a few orders a day, you can easily make $50. Now, focus on offering unique services or bundles to attract more clients to increase your earnings. Please be sure to create a detailed profile highlighting your skills and your experiences just to attract more clients. Guys, there you have it. Here are 5 websites to help you make $50 a day. So whether you're completing surveys, you're freelancing, or you're helping someone in your community, there are plenty of ways to actually boost your income. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell for more money making tips. Let me know in the comments which of these methods you're going to be trying out first. Now guys, I'm doing a giveaway in today's video. Yes, so guys, we have come to that segment that you all have been waiting for. I'm going to be giving away a free $100 cash gift on this channel. Yes, I'm dashing out this $100, and all you need to do is it's simple. One easy step: just join my Telegram community. You can find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Telegram community and then you add 50 people, 50 of your friends into my Telegram community, yes, just add 50 people and take. This is all yours. I'm telling you. So what you need to do is add 500 people so that at least 10% of them will join. That's 50. Or you add 1,000 people and maybe like 5% of them will join, which is 50. Once you're done doing that, then come back to this video and let me know that you have added 50 people. I will verify you. Yes, I will find out. I tell you, come back to this video and let me know so that I can send you, transfer the $100 cash gift to you. So besties, that is one amazing way to also make money just by watching today's video. So go ahead and start sharing my Telegram community, my Telegram link with your friends and your besties and your village members. Share in your church groups, your WhatsApp groups, your mosque groups, your Parappa members. Share my link, yes, and also do well to share today's video as well to your friends. Share it on Nairaland, on Reddit, on various social media platforms, on Facebook groups, Facebook pages, Facebook wall, Facebook story. Share. Just keep sharing. It's all about helping others become the best version of themselves, and of course sharing valuable information that will help more people. So besties, that is it. If you have not introduced yourselves yet, please go ahead and do that. I'm waiting to hear from you in the comments. Let me know what is your name, where are you watching from, what do you do for a living, how did you find my video? Let me know. I'll be more than happy to give you a warm handshake into this community. And it's all about how to make money. Here we don't hide information. Yes, so we are bearers of good news, good news only. We want you guys to win, not just win, but we want you to win real big, so that those people, you will not be forced again. So yes, go ahead and let me know your name, where you're watching from. Let me introduce myself while you do the same thing. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share various ways to make money online. If you want to make money, you want to start increasing your money, your funds, this is the channel to be. Here we share valuable resources every single time that will help you become the best version of yourself. So don't forget to also, share my Telegram link with your friends and your besties and your village members and everyone in your circle. Let's all win. Let's carry them along. Let them win so that they'll stop beefing. You know how it is. In my next video, I'm going to share with you websites where rich people will give out free money. So yes, that is about it, guys. In case someone has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing and I am so proud of you. Take care, guys, and bye for now. Love you.